everyone, good morning. This is Girl Friday again. I know, two videos in 1 week. What? Truth be told, I miss making the videos. I do. I just miss talking to you all, but I wanted to come on here and share about DoorDash and the drive orders that I do. I try to do them at least 3 to 4 times a week if time prevails. I have my catering bag in the back. Although I don't use it that much with the Chipotle orders, they package them in boxes and bags themselves, so I don't really need to use them for that. But I just want to share with you what the drive orders are like, how much you can potentially make, what's the stats to be able to do the drive orders, and how it look when I package it in my car, when I pack it in my car, and what it look like when I deliver it. So stay with me. I'm on my way to Sandy Springs. I'll be back. Okay, I arrived in Sandy Springs near the Chipotle early because that's what I do. I'm an early person. I actually started working this morning at home at 5 a.m. So I did that, and now I'm doing this. I'm stopping to get me some breakfast because I didn't eat before I left home. So I'm going through the drive-thru. What I want to talk about toward the end of the video is I made mention of what I like to do while I'm driving is listen to audiobooks. This particular book, Fortunate Son, it's a novel by Walter Mosley. I absolutely love. Read by Lorraine Toussaint. I'm going to talk about a little bit more about this book toward the end of the video. So if you just want to hear about the book that I listened to or what I thought about it, just go to the end of the video. But I'm gonna get me some breakfast. Again, I'm early. I'm like an hour and a half early for my drive order. Sorry about the sun. So what I'm gonna do is some Uber Eats. I'm gonna do some Uber Eats in the area, and then I'll go do my drive order, and then I may do some Amazon Flex. We'll see. I'll let you know how that goes. But I'm really excited to share with you how I do the drive orders. So I'm going to get my buttery biscuit and apple pie. That's what I like to eat for breakfast. I'm a bread eater. I love bread. My guilty pleasure. Okay, I have completed 2 Uber Eats orders. They were short delivery orders, which is good because I wanted to continue. I wanted to stay in this area while I done the orders. I made it back here to the Chipotle, and I've already signed in. You have to sign in for the drive orders to let them know that you will be completing the order. Then you have to swipe arrive when you arrived. And of course, and then swipe completed when you completed picking the order up and then be en route. So I'm gonna let you see me load everything and deliver. So we'll see. This right here, can't really see it yet, but you'll see it a little later. This is a cart, folding wagon. That's what they call it, folding wagon. I got a call a couple weeks ago. Well, it's been about 2 months. I got a call from DoorDash. A call, a text, and an email from DoorDash saying, hey, Jennifer, you know what? We've been checking your stats with the driver orders. You've been doing your thing. And listen, we want you to come by the office, our Sandy Springs office, and we have a catering cart for you. Absolutely free. Just want you to come pick it up. It's all yours. So I said, oh shit, that's what's up. But I was like, you know, I have a really small car. A Scion IQ is really small. And I was like, how is that going to fit in here with my orders? It does. I sometimes put it right here in the middle because in this little car I don't have an armrest. And sometimes I put it in the back. And it also fits like down low by my seats if I got like a really big order. So again, this order is a $500 order, so it's I'll let you see what that looked like again, but I did want to tell you about my little cart right here, and you'll get to see me use it, I think, because I'm going to an office building. Let's get it done. Okay, so this Chipotle order, damn, I need to be in the next lane. So this Chipotle order, the pickup time was 11:06. Pickup time was 11:06. I was there at 10:49. The delivery time is by 11:30. It's 11:30 now. This order will be late. The delivery time will be late. At arrival time for the customer will be late because of the restaurant. Things like that are out of your control, of course, but it does affect your stats. It's just keep a tally on it. But what DoorDash tried to do, if you arrive to the customer on time, by the time they want the delivery ordered, they pay you extra, and it's a $3 extra fee that you make on top of what you're getting paid for the order. So I won't be getting that. But again, that's something that's out of your control. The order, again, is in my bag. It's 3 large boxes, and it's all burritos.
Turn left to I-285 East.
It's all burritos. So I'll get it to them. I'll be back I'm back. Unload. Okay, I'm getting this order out of my car. Yes, I have on glasses because I see better with my glasses on, but you wasn't supposed to see that. Okay, let me get it unpacked. I got 15 minutes. Cart I was telling you about. Comes out. Boom. It's out in my cart. Thing in here. There you go. That's my cart. Let me get it delivered. Okay, this is the final look of me on the service elevator on my way to the customer to deliver their burritos from Chipotle. Again, this order is arriving to them late because it took the restaurant longer to prepare the items for me to get it to them. So I didn't get the $3 incentive that I would have gotten if I got it there within a 20-minute window. Also, I said I may do some Amazon Flex. I didn't get around to doing Amazon Flex because no orders came in in the Sandy Springs area, and I didn't want to stay in that area. So I did continue on with my day and did some more Uber Eats, which was profitable. I continued until 2 p.m. and then I stopped. But let me show you the ratings, how the ratings work. Okay, so the completion rate, that's how many orders you click on yourself and actually complete. 442 is my total lifetime deliveries I have done with DoorDash, period, because I just don't do it on a full-time basis. I don't do any of it on a full-time basis because I have another way of supporting myself. So, but I do like or enjoy doing the deliveries. It's just not how I pay my bills. Anywho, The 95% arrival at store time, that is what determines if you will be able to claim these orders a day ahead of time. So that has to stay high. I think they want it to stay around 75 or 80%. And then that arrive at customer on time, you can see there based on 20 orders that are, that's based on if you get to the order, to the customer within 20 minutes of the delivery time. That's something that almost completely out of your control, or can be, but it is what it is. 75 is the lifetime drive delivery orders I have done for DoorDash. So, yes. Okay, and so let me share with you what it looks like when you get to choose from. So, you see here, these orders here, this is not the early release. The early release orders you get to choose from comes at 3 o'clock every day, which I do get the early release, but I didn't go in there fast enough because it goes really quick to get you that screenshot. So I had to wait until the general public drive orders were released. So this is what, like, if you don't have high scores like myself, you'll have the option to choose from. So they pay less. So the other orders can pay, the most I've gotten paid on one order, and they are very close. It's like $33, I want to say. And, what, you driving about a mile? I mean, what? So that's what it looks like. And so let me just show you what an average week looked like for me. Because I don't do it again, but a couple times a week. It cut off Tuesday, but that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I think each one of those I did get the $3 incentive. So it didn't take me 5.9 hours, but I do wait until after that window is up before I swipe that I have completed the order, because I don't want to do the regular pickup, the smaller orders and deliver. I just don't want to do that. I'd rather do that with Uber Eats than do it with DoorDash. Just because with DoorDash, these customers, I'm telling you, these ratings, they always want to rate too low if they don't have the damn catch up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. That is it for the DoorDash drive orders. Please stay with me if you want to hear about Fortunate Son. I want to tell you a little about Fortunate Son, and if you like audiobooks while you drive, please stay and listen. Thank you so much for watching. You have an awesome day.
This book, Fortunate Son, a novel by Walter Mosley. I enjoyed this book thoroughly. I did. It's about 10 hours long. It's about 8 CDs if you get it in a format that I have it here, or you can get it on audio files that you can listen to on your tablet, iPod, iPad. If you get it from your local library, I believe, if you sign up for that. But by no means am I a storyteller, but I do want to tell you just some of what it says on the back. Now, this book, if you listen to it, is narrated by Lorraine. I think you pronounce it Lorraine Toussaint. And so it says, Tommy's nickname is Lucky, but no one would think this crippled boy was blessed. Cursed with health problems and drawn into trouble more often than not, Tommy is a recipient of pity rather than admiration. He's nothing like his stepbrother Eric. Eric, a Nordic Adonis, is graced by a seemingly endless supply of good fortune. He's charming, a star athlete, and a magnet for anyone in his sphere. Yet, in spite of these differences, Eric and Tommy are as close as two humans can be. After tragedy rips their makeshift family apart, the lives of these two boys split. In a powerful story of modern-day resilience and redemption, Tommy and Eric forged their separate ways in the world, each confronting their own challenges. For Tommy, this means dropping out of school, selling drugs, living on the streets, and somehow creating a family of his own. For Eric, the golden youth, life means athletics, sexual attraction, prosperity, and the uncertainty that comes with prizes won too easily. Given everything, he trusts nothing. Eric and Tommy's parallel lives are an astonishing story of self-determination and a true measure of fortune. The ties that bind them are thicker than blood, And when circumstances reunite Eric and Tommy after years apart, their distinct approaches to life may be the only thing that can save them from forces that threaten to destroy them. When I say this book took me through every emotion there is, I laugh, I cry, I smile, I felt hurt. I mean, I really enjoyed this book, and I hope that you will too. Please, if you get a chance to read it or listen to it, let me know what you think. Please do that. Let me know.